Hi everyone, this is yet another video on SDC Verifier functionality, which is all-in-one solution for structural design, FEA analysis, and verification according to standards. I'm focusing on Shape Library, which contains a collection of predefined geometric shapes, 1D elements in particular, that can be used to define geometry or structural properties of elements in the model. Using a shape library simplifies modeling, ensures consistency with standards, and enhances the accuracy of structural and material analysis. But first things first, let's check the properties of the model. The list goes on with properties like box, I-beams, tube, plates, and bar. Now, let's get straight to shapes. They are located in Settings section, Expand Edit Library, Shapes. Here you can see the displayed shapes, and by pressing this filtering button, it is possible to filter shapes by type. Here we can see different options: width, height, area, and so on. Also, for convenience, shapes can be filtered by name or selected by shape list. By pressing the pencil button, shape lists can be modified in the manager. Lists can be added, they can be renamed or removed. By selecting each shape, you may notice that its characteristics are automatically displayed here on the right section of the window. Also, pressing this button, users may add selected shapes to predefined shape list. Shapes can be imported from Excel file. Simply press this button, then press this folder to open your file. Unit system can also be selected. Also, to create selected shapes, press the plus button. I covered pretty much everything about lists within Model Context menu. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, ask us questions in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Also, follow us on social media to receive updates first while keeping up with us. All necessary links are pinned in the comment section below.